Okay, guys. So welcome to learning with Marcelo Master Piggy. And this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create the past tense, but not the polite one. Okay, we just learned that the polite one is mashita, so this is the not polite, and it's pretty simple as well. So remember that each verb that I introduce, we have the jishoke, masuke, naike, and teke. So in order for you to make the casual past tense, we need to use a teke. Okay, the teke, the te form, imperative form. So what you need to do is just to change te and replace it to ta. Okay, te you're gonna change it for ta. So for example, tabete means ne eat it. Ne to eat becomes tabeta. So if you say tabeta, it's the past tense, like ate. I ate, she ate. Okay, nonde becomes da. Ne de becomes da, so nonda, nonda. Okay, hanashite becomes hanashita, hanashita. Ne to talk. And itte, ne, say, ne, to say become itta, itta. Okay, I said, she said. Okay, kite, which means to come, ne, kite, kite, like come here, becomes kita, kita, like I went, right? I came actually, yeah. Went is to go, so I came or she came. Okay, kita, kita. We say a lot of メール来た. Oh, I got an email. ね, I got an email. メール来た, メール来た. ね, 行って was to go. So, ね, go becomes 行った. This is went. Okay? 行った. And then, やる ね, to do is やって. やってくださいね. Please do this. Becomes やった. やった. I did. She did. He did. And the last one is shite becomes shita. Ne? The same meaning. I did, she did, he did, we did. Okay, so that's it, guys. It's pretty simple, and this is why every verb you guys learn, we need to learn the teke. Okay, as long as the masu as well, so you will be able to make the past tense polite mashita or the not polite ta. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. それではまたバイバイ。